Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is class 9 social science model question paper that gonna be on 28th of March, that means tomorrow. So before get started, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends if you are new to my channel. So let's get started. My 8 multiple choice questions will be there, each carries 1 mark. The Mathura Vijaya was written by, answer is B. Ganga Devi. The Taj Mahal was got built by Shah Jahan, answer is C. Question number 3. The minimum age to become the member of Lok Sabha, answer is 25. Next. The cornerstone of Indian society is tribal community. The evolution of man as a social being is called socialization. Black cotton soil is called the black cotton soil. Why? Because capacity of retention of moisture. Question number 7. The static economic word has been derived from the word Greek. Answer is C. Greek word. 8th one. The share market established first in India. Answer is B. Mumbai. This is 8 multiple choice question. Next come to second main answer the following question. 8 questions will be there. Each carries 1 mark. Question number 9. Who is the proponent of Advaita philosophy? Answer is Shankaracharya. Next, who was the founder of Young Italy? Answer is Giuseppe Mazzini. So for first one Shankaracharya, for second one Giuseppe Mazzini. Next question number 11. Question number 11. When did Indian Constitution came into force? Answer is 26th Jan 1950. What is patriarchal family? Answer is a family is one in which the men have all of the power and importance. Next question. Which is the deepest gold mine in Karnataka? Answer is Champion Reef. Next question, 14th question. What is land utilization? So for 13th question, Champion Reef. Next, 14th point, what is land utilization? The distribution of land for different uses such as forestry, cultivation, these are all etc. is called the land distribution. Next come to 14th question. Next come to 15th question. When was the new economy policy introduced? Answer is July 24, 1991. Next question, what is management? So July 24, 1991. Next question is what is management? 16th question. The process of dealing with or controlling things or a people is called management. Next come to third main. Answer the following questions in 2 to 4 sentence. It carries 2 marks. 8 questions will be there. Each carries 2 marks. So 17th question. Write the dynasties ruled in Vijayanagara Empire. So there are 4 dynasties. One is Sangama and Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu. Their periods are also there. Try to write pointwise in social. Each point carries half marks. That means if 2 marks they are asking, you have to write 4 to 5 points. 5 points of answer. So these are all the 4 dynasties who ruled in this one. 17th question answer. So next come to question number 18. Question number 18. List the important rulers of Karkota of Kashmir. So important rulers are Durbala Vardhana, Pratipaditya, Chandrapida, Udayaditya. Their periods. Question number 19. What is the role of religion in socialization? Try to write pointwise. So religion is the agent of social control and thus strengthens the social order. It teaches the people moral behavior. It helps them to learn how to be good member of society. Question number 20. Which are the 4 divisions of our defense ministry? With the 4 divisions of defense ministry, first one is Department of Defense, then Department of Production, next is Department of Research and Development, next Department of Ex-Servicemen Welfare. So these are the 4 divisions of defense ministry. Next, question number 21. Name the 4 seasons of Karnataka. So the 4 seasons are winter season, summer season, monsoon season and post-monsoon season. Next, name the different types of road in Karnataka. Question number 22. Answer is national highways, state highways, district highways and village highways. Question number 23. State the different types of money. So there are 4 different types of money. One is commercial money, another one is fiduciary money, next one fiat money, then commodity money. So these are the types of money. Let's come to next question. Question number 24. Question number 24. Mention the 4 types of markets classified under the basis of area. Local market. First one is local market, national market, global market and regional market. Next main, fourth main, answer the following question in 6 sentences. It carries 3 marks. 9 questions will be there. So first question, list on the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Try to write point wise. They said 6 sentences, that means you have to write at least 6 to 7 points. So question number 25, teachings of Prophet Muhammad. He commanded us to speak truth, to honor our promises, to be kind to our neighbors, to cease all forbidden acts, to avoid false witness, not to appropriate an orphan's property, to be loyal. So these are all the important teachings taught by our Prophet Muhammad. Describe the Shivaji system of administration. 26 question number. So you have to write 7 to 8 points, at least 6, 7, 8. Try to write point wise. Shivaji appointed 8 ministers known as Ashtapradhan. So first minister will be Peshwa, in charge of finance, then Senapati, commander-in-chief of the army, then Amatya, state revenue and expenditure accountant, then Vakinis, responsible for the personal and family affairs, Chitnis, assisted the king in the official correspondence, Dabir, foreign secretary, Nyayadish, chief justice, and Pandit Rao, essentials. Pandit Rao is ecclesiastical head. Question number 27. What are the effects of industrial revolution? The effects of industrial revolutions are: this leads to increase the production and efficiency, lower prices, more good productions, improved wages, migration from rural to urban areas, creation of employment opportunity to improve the economic condition of a country. So they consider points. So each point carries half mark. If you want 3 mark, you have to write at least 6 to 7 points. So try to write down the answers in point wise. Next question number 28. What are the qualifications to appoint as Supreme Court judge? A person must be a citizen of India, must have served as judge of High Court for at least 5 years, must have been an advocate of High Court for at least 10 years, must be a distinguished justice in the opinion of the President, then appointed by a Supreme Court judge is appointed by President. So write down point wise. Question number 29. List on the features of family. So it mating a relationship, it forms of marriage, a common habitation, a system of nomenclature and economic provisions, universality, emotional basis, healthy family. These are all the important features of family. You can include any other points too. Malnad region is called the biodiversity zone. Why? The central part of Karnataka is called Malnad. It is one of the 8 biodiversity hotspots of world because variety of animals and resources found here. Lands of river. It is now World Heritage Area. Babungiri, Bihar Hills, Malay Mahadeshwara Hills, Gopal Swami Hills are the main regions of this Malnad region. Question number 31. List on the essential factors for establishment of industries. So availability of raw materials, availability of land, water, labor, power, capital, transportations and market. These are all the important requirements to development of industries. So you can explain this also. These are all the main points. Write down point wise and explain it in your words. So you'll get mark for that. Next, explain the importance of secondary sector. The secondary sector contributes more than 20% of GDP of India. It provides employment to the people. It provides goods to the people like clothes, sugarcane, iron, steel, etc. It promotes the development of primary and tertiary sectors. It helps to convert the product from the primary sector into a consumer usable products. Next question, explain the importance of marketing. Explain the importance of marketing. Marketing for business is a highly valuable. It helps to create brand awareness, drive profit and growth, acquire and retain customers, enhance engagement. Effective marketing strategies to play a pivotal role in the establishing a strong presence in the market and connecting with the target audience. Next, come to fifth main. Answer the following questions in 8 sentences. Question number 34. Explain the contribution of Rajputs in field of literature. The Rajputs King Bhoja and Munja were scholars themselves. The poet Padmagupta and Halyodha in the court of Munja, great Jain scholars like Shantisena, Prabhachandra, Suri, Ganapala enjoyed the patronage in the court of King Bhoja. They made generous contribution to the development of education. Many poets were patronized. Languages like Gujarati, Hindi and Rajasthani were encouraged during this period. They authored important dramas were composed. Next, list on the features of Renaissance. So humanism, art, science, navigation, music, self-awareness, religion. The Renaissance was the period of 15th to 16th century in the Europe. You can explain this because this is for 4 mark. Explain each point in your words. So you'll get full marks for that. Question number 36. Explain the principles of Red Cross. So humanity, impartiality, neutrality, independence, voluntary service, unity, unidiversity. These are all the important points. We just explain this for 4 marks. So write down point wise and explain each point in your words. Next question. Write a note on importance of agriculture. It is a source of food and production for a society. Many people depend on agriculture, both commercial and local production. Then this is very important to the small scale farmers. Agriculture is the background of food security. Agriculture is the backbone of our country's economy. It is main traditional occupation of our country. It provides employment opportunity too. So next question, draw India map and mark the following: Sharavati, Bannerghatta, Bidar and Shimsha. This is your social model question paper. Stay tuned for more such updates.